This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Given the declaration, calculator eval equals new evaluator. Okay, so an instantiation of the evaluator class and the class definition below. What is displayed by the method call? Okay, so we're printing out the eval, which is the instantiated evaluator class. We're running the compute method and we're passing 8 as an argument. All right, so our evaluator class extends the calculator, okay? So, and then here we are, public int commute, we pass it a value. Value is gonna be equal, now let's keep in mind, what does super mean? Super tells the computer, hey, look above my class. And it says, what? What the heck? What's above? We're extended from calculator. So this really says calculator.compute. Well, perfect, compute. So now we're going to pass it our value. What value was passed? Well, value was equal to 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. So we're passing it a 7, which you can barely read. 7, shockingly, times 2 is 14. It is. I promise. I did not get that wrong the first recording of this. No, I didn't. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 is value, right? And so now value plus, that means plus 1, so that's 15. So what are we going to return here? Well, I think 15. Let's give it a shot. If that didn't make sense, pause, slow me down to 0.75, and go back through it. Why? Because understanding this will help you in this course and on the test. Onward.